Every organization, in fact, every human being, benefits from better, clear thinking. We're all thinking beings. We think of reasons for our actions, we communicate those reasons to others. Any progress we make is a function of clear thinking. Sequiturs AI is the platform for clear thinking and better decisions. In this example, I'll show how executive leadership utilizes Sequiturs AI to prepare for C suite or E staff meetings so that those meetings can be more valuable and arrive at better outcomes. Most companies have weekly or bi weekly C suite or E staff meetings where the most senior leaders go to work on key topics and decisions. And these are very important meetings, and I'm going to show how Sequiturs AI makes them more effective. I'll pretend to be the CEO of a large company or a senior leader of any large team looking to solicit feedback on this topic prior to an upcoming staff meeting. So I'm asking my team members, direct reports, to populate arguments for and against partnership with company X, an example topic, obviously. We can see that the arguments are provided in reasons or premises that lead to a conclusion. This is an information-rich structure, the arguments framework of Sequiturs AI, truly the backbone of Sequiturs AI. Instead of having to peel through pages of documentation or go through long PowerPoint presentations, this is a condensed set of reasons for or against something. Also, we can directly challenge or augment any part of this particular argument. As we can see, it's happened down below. Someone has raised the challenge to premise 3. A partnership with company X would provide exposure to industry Z we can otherwise not access. So the ability to directly challenge specific reasons enables teams to run to ground areas where there's misalignment, and also allows me as a CEO to understand the best ideas, let the best ideas truly win so I can evaluate them in a very clean, easy way. We can also have our team members add citations, any supporting documentation for or against any piece of this. In this case, I've just linked to public filing from ExxonMobil as an example, but it could be a Tableau dashboard, Confluence dashboard, any supporting documentation. Sequiturs AI also has powerful AI integration. I just give an example here. AI can be used for many different things within Sequiturs AI. In this case, I've used it as sort of a search engine, just posted a question to it that's relevant to my argument here or someone else's argument. And I can really I can pose a question about any part of my argument and ask AI to fill in the blanks. And in this way, AI really supports my mission of creating a clear, structured argument. Finally, executives don't just need to argue with one another about areas where they do not agree, but they're meant to collaborate through Sequiturs AI as well to build on each other's arguments and reasoning. And that's what you can see over here as the revisions. So someone, perhaps the CEO, asks us before the meeting to spell out the components of a plausible partnership, not just to say we need one. And then we've gone ahead and other team members have elaborated and just taken the initial argument and built on top of it. So we can collaborate in this structured way. So by the time the meeting arrives, we have our set of final arguments designated by the last node in our revisions tab that we can use to go through this conversation. We already have a map of who disagrees and why, and the CEO or team leader in this case can very clearly determine the most valuable ideas, the most valuable objections. And this is an important step in making a good decision. One last area to call out here is that all of these arguments, everything in Sequiturs AI is portable, can be embedded elsewhere in Confluence. Let's say if there's a meeting doc that we want to use for preparation, all the arguments can be posted there, so we have an aerial view, similar to what we have here, but within another document form. So we can go through the arguments, have a very orderly discussion about an important topic, then we can make a decision and proceed.